Do you think Don Jazzy was instrumental to the virality where you don't get now?
Shout out to Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy is a very good man. You know, we'll never even talk, sir, funny, you know.
Serious? You and Don Jazzy never talk?
No DM exchange.
Na my own day, and I'm full.
I'm full in pain.
Paragraph about paragraph, now you're full there.
You never respond.
No, you never respond yet.
But you don't collaborate with you.
Yes, no be say at DM I'm saying make we see you. No, I mean I won't see Don Jazzy. I don't understand. You understand? So now just gratitude. I just
they tell
express.
Thank you.
Plenty gratitude. Since then he never. So I don't know as God won't take do him, but I'm not even going to lie. Accepting my collab is enough. Is more than enough. So I
don't know support.
Don Jazzy dey here now. What you go tell him?
To take picture alone with Don Jazzy. My ego boss.
So now only to take picture you want from
I go run small short 2-second skit with him sharp.
You don't ask for too much now.
Entitlement
no be entitlement now opportunity with
opportunity.
Be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Yanga FM station with Sabi. Check your time where you go to say truly. Now a few minutes remain for 1 o'clock to stand gidigba the look us on top of the matter. Today will be the 8th day for inside the month of April 2026. My name now JC Talks.
My name now Baby Sasa. You know, say we don't already tell you, say we get one important guest. The way we say, no be say begging and calling, but the way they do you go reason and say, you won't take them as profession. My brother, why they look me like that now? Why they look me like that now? Say something, let people know who you are.
Aside say won't take them as profession, I go say this very person now the trending comedian right now,
whether you like it or not,
history, or we could actually say break record as the shortest content but yet the funniest content in Nigeria
honestly.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Motel Solomon Ovat.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
My brother,
my people, I greet you. I beg no vex. You get one sugar way down today for my pocket here. So I don't know what I make a throw in, but they talk say if I put her inside Gary, say it goes sweet. I beg you get Gary.
Close the door.
Jump on for your face.
Welcome, Ovat. So tell us, we'll start with your name. When I hear Motel, we know send a place where we say person they go lodge.
Yeah, this one come with double L.
I see the double L. Now what make me want to ask? I see Motel, I see Ovat, I see Solomon. So explain to us how you get all those names.
My name now Motel Solomon Ovat. Now my real names.
For real.
From
yes.
where? Are you Ghanaian?
No, I be Cross Riverian from Cross River State.
Ooh.
What part of Cross River?
Obubra precisely.
Obubra. So Motel now language name?
No, na English name. Na actually na Hebrew name.
Hebrew.
I beg teach us.
What do you mean?
Take us deeper, daddy.
I still dey search. I still dey find.
You don't know the meaning. Now they give you collect am.
You collect them. Hey.
Now why they like to collect something now? I go just collect.
Clock it.
So then Ovat now your surname.
Yeah, Ovat is my surname, and it's kind of Ovat actually na royalty name.
Oh, you be Prince?
No, I be Prince. Now they
Prince
beg.
they beg. Come on, stop it.
And you get my talk say you know whether na my calling. You go take an ask it.
Oh, begging now your calling.
I dey beg oh.
They relatable like that. Motel, like just walk us through this entertainment industry, because as JC talk naturally be the shortest viral skit maker. Wait, in 3 seconds, you see that one where you do for
Assalamu alaikum.
For Salah. My God, that was when I started following, because I'm like, nobody ever catch my attention with this show. And say the brain, attention span don't they less now. Was that what you thought about when you started making this niche of content?
Okay, that wasn't what I thought about. No, with me I've been thinking with that, but people no get time. Yes, and truth be told, this our skit industry, it don't dey saturated. My guys and they talk every time, so you have to think. You got to think. You not go see say it dey very short, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, but we dey do a whole lot of thinking. You need to think. People they quick tire. You need to just need to do something short. The thing need to catch attention, just like you talk. Say you quick catch your attention.
Yes.
So yes, that wasn't really the plan. I arranged proper skits for 8. I arranged proper skit for that salary. But when that wasn't even the first short skit I did. The first one I do. Now the way I carry my phone. My small palasa phone go knock my neighbor door, talks I beg, I need rice.
Say your phone enter water.
Yes. So when my neighbor come talk, say, just rice. I say yes, but if you get garri pepper, if you get tomato, salt, and this thing, if you carry come, that one they load us a message, say this one they hungry. You want that food you want. So that was actually the first, and I say, okay, this one go. I had to chill, calm down, and that period we did close to salad. Yes, so I don't already prepare proper skits, proper 1 minute 30 seconds 2 minute skits. But as I say, as they go, I just had to look for a way to just do that. And no mind that short skit, we had lots of takes. Forget
what?
Wow. How many takes you do?
I do like 6 takes. So
Jesus, and that thing come like that.
Yes. Funny enough, why the thing get plenty takes now? Because I've been they talk the assalamu alaikum properly.
Yes.
And I'm not supposed to. Make it be like person will be say you come to beg. You come to beg Muslim and you know even how to greet.
So I tried to recreate that, but I was still saying the right thing. I beg if you recreate what you put on your page. Masala.
Okay. You know, say this thing, okay. See, I just knock the door. Never open up. Asamala make alomasa.
89.9 Naija FM station where Sabi. You just get brief introduction of our guests in all day inside the studio. So now, sharply send message on top WhatsApp 090482130013, or you can call into the studio 02016350899. Yes, so na session where Sabi be this. Normally with a buzz brain on top of What's Up Naija 104 at the time right now in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. Today will be the 8th day in the month of April 2026. My name is Baby Sasa.
My name is JC Talks, and yes, we get with us this very comedian, content creator, where we say a lot of people know where they talk of Motel, Solomon Avat, right?
Yeah, Ovat.
Okay.
Ovat. All right. So I mean, people go see. I know. Say most times when they see, skit makers, influencers, just trend for like back to back, they go think say this one just come. But they know say the journey don't say. So walk us through when you really started content creation. How many years ago?
3 years ago, 2023 April, I think. Next week I should be.
Imagine.
Yes, next week April 13th.
So now your anniversary with this.
April 13 go be how many years?
3 years.
3 years in this industry.
And 14 April go be
now,
1 year.
1 year.
Work it now. Your garri no go dry.
You know dry. We will give you more.
It's like someone I know give me garri now. What's going on?
So how has the journey been like from when you started and now? Give us the
this wasn't even the plan. I was actually behind the camera. Yes, I'm an editor, a videographer.
For real?
Yes, nah. So I they even they share small. They work with skit makers. Yes, especially the ones who be like, bro, I see. Yes, and you edit this video. You fit help me.
So which skit maker you don't edit in content?
They don't stop. I no go like mention their name. They don't.
So
stop.
they don't
stop.
Like they no blue.
Because say you say then see your work.
Yes.
Then can't call you. You do better work. Then no still want to blow, but you can't do the work can't blow. Is it an ojoro on your part?
Okay, the thing be saying, no be say they no blow, because everybody gets different
level where they blow.
So no be even different level. Different thing will be say they really take as passion.
Okay.
When they see me, I like this thing. If I were even living together. Shout out to them. They house me.
If they say them, they mention them now. They do you well. They
okay, yes, they actually did. Shout out to Edido David and shout out to Simon. Yes, amazing guys.
For Cross River?
No, for
Lagos.
Lagos, yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes. So yeah, it was amazing. Staying with these guys, accommodated me, fed me. You understand? Yes, now because then first they get accommodation issue for Lagos. So I don't see why I go hide head, but I go come or go hustle. So then they try for the skits matter. So now they see say this guy the video they edit too. So but that one they no go fit deny him. I go talk everywhere. They very lazy. They can't become relaxed. Amigo they drag them.
So now you they motivate them.
Yes, nah. So that because since me I know if you come in front of the camera, I believe say senior bros them like shout out to Sydney. They go see my work somehow somewhere because I don't do these people DM for a very long time.
Wow.
As an editor, as I be video.
So right now if Sydney Tucker check in DM, he go see your message.
He go see, make it go check.
Sydney Tucker, go check your message. Now the guy where done the DM you now where they go
plenty.
Go and check.
So okay. So now that everybody knows who you are, we know say even Don Jazzy don't they collaborate with you like back to back.
Yes.
How many of these people that you reached out to have reached out to you now?
A few of them have. Funny enough, I didn't even time no come day for me to reach out to them again. I need to develop myself now. So now them in a way they come begin they reach out to me. No be say make we walk just to give me thumbs up. You did do well. Or some of them be like, I just see your message.
Can you imagine?
You don't.
Can you imagine?
So you get
who be those people where you know say you don't they inspired by their work, and you won't work with them now?
Frank Donga.
Frank Donga no dey Nigeria again now.
Nah, waiting pay me pass.
Chai, he don't jackpot.
Shout out to Sabinus now.
Sabinus, okay.
Now inspire me pass.
Makes sense. Who else dey your mind?
There plenty. If I want, it's a very long list.
Come on now.
So say your content now they beg somebody.
Yeah.
So do you think say many people don't look like say this thing they try to push the begging culture? Because Blessing CEO will just say she just begs, say she get stage 4. You get, and we don't also see people come out to say then they beg for something. Why do you decide to use begging as a tool for content creation for inside this matter?
Well, not be really sad they use begging as a tool. Now, how did they call themselves? What be that English?
You mirror the society.
Feel like say he actually supposed to get this thing from you. Entitlement. Yes. Now why my first skit, Philip, a lot of people that one are waiting. Philip now my friend, where they never sitting now. I go call him, hello Philip. I need, in fact, sometimes I know they even go direct. I go say Philip, make I give you 2K this evening. Why? What's happen? They do giveaway. No, because I won't collect you 2K now to give you a hair. You see, so sometimes I know they go straight in, go cut the call, and so they be like, not be saying I'm begging. Like that.
So now, they portray the entitlement mentality of most people.
Of most people. And some of them will be say they no go ever, they make it look like saying that they are right. Like say they no go ever give up.
But you don't experience them personally before. Person don't do you.
People they do no Martin.
You they do person.
Me no, I know. I know how to work for my own. I know how to beg. I don't know how to. I know how to beg. Make I forget.
Okay. So you don't work behind the scenes. You don't work in front of the production, and I know say even in your bio you put say you be actor. So let's if you get anybody for mind now, like maybe producer or director, who you think say for this industry where we get now, who do you want to work with in their movie project?
I want to work with plenty people for their movie project, but Iyabojo.
Queen Mother.
Yes.
So you want to work with Iyabo Ojo?
Yes, Iyabo Ojo. And Mama Funke Akindele.
Okay.
You know,
okay.
Yes. Even I've worked with Rock.
That's Mary.
Yes.
Joko.
Yeah. And plenty of them. There plenty. I mean, I know say I for like work with these people too.
All right. You want to tell us? Do you think Don Jazzy was instrumental to the virality where you don't get now?
Shout out to Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy is a very good man. You know, we never even talk. Funny, you know.
Serious?
You
never Don Jazzy never talk.
No DM exchange.
na my own there na full.
Na full in page.
Paragraph about paragraph na your full there.
He never respond.
No, he never respond yet.
But he don't dey collaborate with you.
Yes, no be say I DM am say make we see you. No, I mean I wan see Don Jazzy. I no understand. You understand? So na just gratitude. I just
they tell am
thank you. Plenty gratitude. Since then he never. So I don't know as God won't take do am, but I'm not even going to lie. Accepting my collab is enough. Is more than enough. So I
do not support.
Don Jazzy dey here now. Wetin you go tell am?
To take picture alone with Don Jazzy. My ego boss.
So now only to take picture you want from.
I go run small short 2-second skit with am sharp.
You don't ask for too much now.
Entitlement
no be entitlement now opportunity.
Opportunity and preparedness.
So we get questions. What go they take? I know say my co-host get questions for there. Where people don't they drop on top the matter. So
we be 89.9 Yanga FM.